This small flame has made an island disappear from the world map and changed the sea levels of the One Piece world, which has resulted in earthquakes and tsunamis. Currently, it is one of the strongest and most dangerous weapons in the world. So is this another ancient weapon? And how this small mother flame could give Luffy the Gear 6? Let's find it out in this video. So, let's first understand what the mother flame actually is. As the name suggests, mother flame is a small flame that is powered by a huge power plant. In that huge tank, there is a small flame that is surrounded by water. As Vegapunk invented this mother flame, only he knows how it works, which is why Imu and the 5 elders are not able to control this weapon and are not able to use it freely. However, we saw them using this weapon once, which was with the help of Yoro, another form of Vegapunk, but she was eventually caught by the Straw Hats talking to Imu. Originally, Vegapunk created mother flame to be an unlimited energy source, which might be because he wanted to save the world from sinking in the ocean through this energy, because we know that the Egghead Island functions through the same flame energy. However, this mother flame could also be used as a weapon. After the leveling, Imu asked the 5 elders to test out the mother flame on the Lulusia Island. There were some questions about why only that island. As of now, we only know that it was just because Lulusia was in close proximity to Mary Goy's. The way this flame worked was very terrifying. From the clouds, lasers fall on the target like rain and vaporize the whole thing. After the mission is completed, no trace of that place is left, and it creates a black hole in the middle of the ocean. Because of this, there were many earthquakes, and the sea level of the ocean rose by 1 meter. Because of the success, Imu made a deal with Yoro to create a replica of the mother flame so that they could use it freely. However, as we know, she got caught talking to Imu. Now, is this mother flame an ancient weapon? Well, it has some characteristics where we can say it is an ancient weapon, like how powerful this weapon is, but the ancient weapons were created during the Void Century, which was centuries ago, and this mother flame was created recently by Vegapunk, which tells us that it is not an ancient weapon, but a weapon that has the potential of an ancient weapon. The interesting thing is that this mother flame could link to Luffy and his new Gear 6. Luffy is the embodiment of the sun, and Imu represents the moon. It is believed that the sun god Nika created the devil fruits to help mankind, not as a curse. However, after the ancient kingdom was destroyed during the war, either Nika or a theorized moon god placed a curse, making them unable to survive in the sea. But the problem with this theory is, why would Nika place a curse on the thing he created? Maybe because the moon god almost wiped out the whole Lunarian race, because we know that Nika had a close connection with them, where he called them a unique race and gave them some unique powers. This will ultimately lead to a battle between the sun and the moon god, which is where the Mother of Flames concept comes in, because this power could be the manifestation of the power that was given to Lunarians by Nika, and Vegapunk could have gotten it when he was experimenting on King. It is also possible that the original Mother Flame was a solar power that could create anything out of nothing, and that it even played a role in creating the Devil Fruit Tree. This would suggest that Nika was the originator of all things in the One Piece world, making them a force of creation that could be compared to the potential power of the Moon God. This Moon God would serve as a balancing force of destruction. That is why Imu might have the Moon God fruit, and the objective would be to destroy the creations of Nika, which could change the landscape of the earth and destroy everything to align with its vision. Vegapunk predicted the earthquakes and the world sinking, and if this is true, then Luffy will have to level up to fight against Imu. This would mean he will have to use the Mother Flame, which might be the true power of the Nika Devil Fruit. Using this power, Luffy will be able to transform into the embodiment of the sun, which will also allow him to have the power that Nika once had. This power would allow him to be equal to the Moon God and restore balance on the earth. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.